Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNBC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, really makes mapping out and summarizing the price action quite straightforward. So if you just say, Clay, look, summarize this chart for me quickly, I would say pump and dump. Now, real quick, I don't say pump and dump in the sense of that I'm implying this company is being run out of somebody's attic over in North Korea. I'm not saying that. I'm just making the statement based solely off of how the price has reacted. And my definition of a pump and dump for price is price makes a very impressive move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price is right back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So let's first just figure out, where did all this start? Well, basically nothing was going on. Nothing was going on. Price was struggling, with 25 cents. You can see here, struggling, struggled one more time there, and then the price finally got above it right there, and you can see what happens, which brings us to the first part of the definition. Price makes a very nice move. Now, that doesn't even count the move that started down here, but let's just start the move from right here. This was a very, very nice move in a quick amount of time. Then transition to the second part. Then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes right back to where it all started. And, it wasn't the same day or anything, but I would still say that, over a period of a couple of days, that's not very long. Factoring in today, where's the price now at? Well, it's actually below where it all got started. Or in other words, the price went back less than, the big move that happened. And in my opinion, that's what a pump and dump is. Now, can a whole new move get started? Yeah, so I'm not saying that this thing is going to drift down to oblivion. The bulls could certainly come back tomorrow and, reignite something. But as far as this price movement here is concerned, there was no true power behind it, because price movements with true power progress forward. They don't go back to where they were. I'm assuming I'm stating the obvious when I say that. But this one has not progressed. It's gone lower than where it all started. So pump and dump is how I would classify this one. And, kind of back to the drawing board, because, yeah, the bulls can put something new together, but as far as the previous move that they had put together that was looking really, really nice, it's all been ruined. So back to the drawing board for the bulls. That price movement just turned out to be a pump and dump, so we'll see if they can put something new together, or possibly if this price is just going to drift back into oblivion. We shall see.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.